Hello friends, welcome back to Flavors on my Dastarkhwan. Today I will be sharing with you the recipe of Chicken Tikka Masala. Chicken Tikka Masala is a fantastic recipe, and this is my twist on Chicken Tikka Masala, wherein I am using my leftover chicken tikka or tandoori chicken, which I made in my last video. If you would have watched with me, I took you along to the beach where I made this tandoori chicken on grill, and I have brought back 5 pieces of it which were left over, and I'm going to use those the next day to make this chicken tikka masala. To make this, I'm taking 1 medium-sized onion, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, and I'm going to take 1 whole garlic. I'm going to grind all of these and to use it in my gravy. Now 3/4 tablespoon of ginger paste, and among the dry spices, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and salt. All of these are 1 teaspoon. So these are basic spices. There's nothing special or anything extra. Here I'm also taking a tomato paste box. This is a small box of 135 grams, and with this I'm going to take around 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves. Dried fenugreek leaves add a beautiful flavor to this. Now in a blender, I'm going to take all of my onions, garlic, and tomatoes, and I'm going to blend it into a fine paste. So you can actually do it 2 ways. You can actually cook these down and then blend it, or you can blend it before and cook it. So I prefer this way because it's easier, and cooking it down and then blending it is also good. It also adds beautiful flavor. You can actually try that. You can use a hand blender and blend it, but I went ahead with this way. And I have taken, in a pot, I'm taking around 1/4 cup of oil. This is sunflower oil, and I'm just adding this paste to it. Now a word of caution here: do not add this mixture to really hot oil. So you have to add it to cool oil, and so that it doesn't splatter all over you. Now at this point, I'm adding my garlic here. And remember that there is already I have added ginger paste here, because remember that garlic I have already I ground it with my onions and tomatoes, so it's already there. So I'm going to cover this and let it cook, and while that's cooking, I'm going to chop up my chicken. So it doesn't have to be in a certain way. It can be, I mean to say, it is roughly chopped. So there is no specific way where you have to chop it. It just should be bite size, and however you want to slice it. Sorry with my words. Anyways, I just slice it up really nice, a bite size. And the written recipe is available on my website. I will put the link in my description box to check it out. You'll find that recipe and all my other recipes on my website. Now after 5 to 6 minutes, you can see the oil separating here, and my onions and my tomatoes are really cooked. You have to make sure that the raw flavors of these ingredients, the tomatoes, the onion, garlic, and ginger, are gone, because that can really give a bad taste. At this point, I've added my dry spices, and also I'm going to add my tomato paste. Here I want to tell you that tomato paste also needs to cook down, because tomatoes paste have their own taste, so you really have to saute it really well to get rid of that taste, that particular taste that it has. So when you roast it well, it will cook down, and it will assimilate, and it will enhance the flavor. So at this point, it just roasted really well. And the reason why I added tomato paste, it is instantly gives you that restaurant kind of effect, that feel to your dish. So if you're looking for that kind of taste, then I suggest that you do not omit the tomato paste. Cover it and let it cook for a while until you see the oil starts to float. You can adjust the gravy at this point to bring it to the consistency that you want. Adjust your spices. I mean to say, see your salt, how much you feel you need, and also add your kasuri methi at this point of time, so that when you add the chicken, all these flavors are already there. Now chicken by itself is really flavorful because the charcoal has infused that kind of flavor within the chicken, and chicken is fantastic. It isn't, you do not need to smoke it later, because it already has that smokiness in it. Cover it and again let this cook until the oil separates, and at this point I'm going to add in my chicken, my chopped chicken, my chopped tandoori chicken. This is a really fantastic recipe. I mean, if you are making this at home, and or in your country if the weather is really nice and you can go on beaches and do barbecues, you can make these, and this is a great a way to use your leftover chicken, tandoori chicken. Sometimes you can even use store-bought chicken tikka, or anything, and use that to make chicken tikka masala. It tastes really well. So this so I just cover it and let it cook for like 2 to 3 minutes until it is all combined and oil starts to float again. And there you have it, your recipe is actually done. This is a complete recipe. It's really easy to make, of course, because your chicken was already made. All you had to do was get these beautiful delicious chicken and combine it to make a great sauce to this. I hope you will try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how did you like it. And I thank you for watching this recipe, and if you like it, please do like this and share it with your friends so that they can watch it with you. And all in all, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that way I know that you like my recipes, and that way I feel encouraged and motivated. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.